want you to picture this place clearly, vividly. I want you to see the colours.
Okay.
And we'll just reposition. Keep on going. Okay, straighten her out. And then you can start over from here.
Okay. What was the mistake I made this time?
You just backed up a little bit too far in a straight line.
Oh.
We're going to nail this. We're going to get this.
Okay. Cool.
Into reverse, yeah. And reapply your right signal. There we go. Okay. And when you're doing this, you want to keep that pressure on the brake.
Yeah.
There you go. That's good.
Here. And then we
Yep.
turn this back here, and we just don't
Keep
go
pressure on the brake.
Yeah.
Right about here. Now you can start, just let it roll back, but turn the wheels all the way to the left.
There we go. Yeah, I would say...
Yeah, a little bit more. That's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Takes some practice, with this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like I need to reverse a bit if I want to turn successfully.
Keep your wheels turned like that. Come on outside for a minute. So you were able to get in here, right? With your wheels turned all the way to the left.
Of whatever is around you. I want you to hear the sounds around you. I want you to feel whatever it is you're sitting on, or standing on, or lying on. You need to feel the temperature of the air around you.
It's a tricky one, eh?
Yeah. No cars behind.
Looks really close, but you know you can get out of here. I know you want to do this one again.
Yeah.
So let's do a 3-point turn.
Okay.
Take some time now to make this safe place as vivid and clear as you possibly can
Really close.
in your mind.
Okay. Try.
And I want you to imagine a word, one word, that you associate with this safe place. So make it a word which is quite unusual, not one that you would normally use in most sentences. It can be any word you choose.